Today we're going to be unboxing the BPL 500. BPL 500 inside the box you'll find the fixture. This is a fully submersible fixture, as well as a 20 watt standard halogen bulb. This fixture is also compatible with LED. To gain access inside the fixture, simply take a Phillips screwdriver and unscrew the 4 screws that are in the front. Now to install the bulb, simply take the bulb, press it in firmly like so. To reassemble, make sure you put the gasket in first and the glass after the gasket. Now you're ready to reassemble and rescrew.